Hey guys, Ken Conley here, product manager for Reflection. Today I'm here to show you another new travel trailer floor plan, the 317 RSTS. Those numbers and letters might sound somewhat familiar for you. This replaces our 297 RSTS, and we're really excited. Got a couple really cool new features. What we're going to start off with is the length and weight. 35 feet, 5 inches, around 9,300 pounds. That's your dry load, your dry weight there. What I wanted to start on the off-door side because we have a very cool feature on our travel trailers that I want to show you, and that is our drop frame chassis. So the difference between that 297 and the 317 is the drop frame chassis. What that allowed us to do is make space for all of these things that you have in here. Obviously here you got your convenience center, you have your auto level, you've got your TPMS, and then you have your inset box. This gets all this stuff out of the way, but still gives you access to that from the exterior. Charge controller, converter, and then your distribution box. And again, you see how it's inset back so you can have all of that storage. With that drop frame, there's a much bigger storage area, so I wanted to help you utilize as much as you can. Now we're gonna walk around to the other side, and I'm gonna show you another exciting feature about the 317. Right this way. Here guys, here it is. We've got a couples coach, 35-foot travel trailer. Look at this outside kitchen. This is a big feature that we get asked for on the Reflection line for travel trailers is, hey, I don't have kids, I don't have a bunkhouse, why can't I have a couples coach with an outside kitchen? Well, we delivered. TV, all kinds of storage in behind here. You can put your tools out, pull out cooktop, 2 big storage drawers. Instead of that wood base, you do have a metal base. It is outside. And then you're gonna have a nice refrigerator for your cold milk. And again, this is something that we're asked for over and over again is an outside kitchen on a couples coach. We're gonna take you inside, show you the rest of the floor plan, but we're really excited. That 297 had a little bit of some outside space, but not anything like this. And what better way to watch the football game or do whatever you're doing outside than a TV and this cook space. So we're gonna pop inside and I'll show you the floor plan. Hey guys, just don't mind me enjoying this nice tri-fold sofa here with the adjustable headrest, perfect viewing angle. Welcome inside to the 317. Kind of start off with what I like to call our adjust-to-bed. So this is a new tri-fold mechanism that we have on the Reflection travel trailers. You saw the head adjustment, but it also has a cool mechanism for the bed. Nice and easy to pull out, also nice and easy to put back in. That is the new tri-fold that you will see on our Reflection travel trailers. Pop these back in here, easy peasy. There we go. So on this floor plan, one thing you'll notice is traditional rear living, the slides are flipped. Why'd we do that? Well, that great outside kitchen I showed you. But what it also allows is a bunch of storage here at your entertainment. Tons of open space, goes way back there. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cabinet doors. Got your fireplace here, and then right across from your theater seat. Get nice and comfortable here. Oh man. There we go. So that is the rear living part. Now we'll jump into the kitchen, show you some cool features that we have on the Reflection travel trailer. All right, solid surface countertop, big residential oven, oversized microwave, all of that appliance suite. Pull out trash can storage. Always hard to find somewhere to put the trash can while you're camping. Got your utensil drawer, your utility drawer here. Tons of cabinet space and drawers, all kinds of space for you there. 16 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. We are equipped with solar, so you're gonna have a 360 watt solar panel and a 60 amp charge controller, which I showed you outside. Again, going through, you've got your hutch, open space here, cabinets up above. Again, got that solid surface countertop. Make our way back here. Stop by the bathroom. Shower with plenty of space. And again, as you're walking through, keep in mind this is a travel trailer. So giving you a space for the shower, toilet, you got your medicine cabinet there. And then working our way into the bedroom, this is also another redesign from the 297. So the 297 still had the wardrobes on the side of the bed, but those went full length. What we did is we opened it up to give you this end table. Still his and hers hanging space. Where's the washer dryer prep, you ask? Well, of course we thought of that. Come across here and we deepened this cabinet, made it a little bit taller. So you do have prep for a washer and dryer as well, stackable. Walk around bed, gives you all kinds of space to move. And then open up and you've got your storage under the bed as well. I hope you enjoy the tour of the 317 RSTS. This will be in production August, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys. Visit our website at granddesignrv.com for more information. Thank you.